Hey, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the fastest selling new construction community in all of Cape Coral, and that's in Stonewater. I'm going to take you through one of their models here in Stonewater. The reason it's the fastest selling community in Cape Coral is pretty simple. The builder D.R. Horton out here makes a great product. They have incredible competitive prices out here. And on top of all of that, they offer some really incredible financing incentives. They've got $13,000 towards closing costs and prepaids right now, and 6.5% mortgage rates, which is just incredible considering, you go try to get a normal mortgage right now, I think they're over 8%. So, by the way, my name's Dustin Guthrie. I'm with Schooner Bay Realty. My contact info is down in the description. I've got an amazing relationship, multi-year relationship with the builder over here and the sales staff. So if you see anything you like on today's video, reach out, give me a call, shoot me a text or an email or something. I'm going to be able to work you an absolutely magnificent deal on one of these new construction homes out here in Stonewater. So without further ado, let's take a look at this place.
So this is the most popular floor plan in Stonewater right now. It's the Del Rey model. It's a 3 or a 4 bedroom floor plan, so you can have a 3 bedroom that has a flex room or a den, or that flex room can be outfitted as a 4th bedroom. This model has just over 2,000 square feet of living area under air conditioning, and the base price of this model is $369,900 on an off-water lot. But the ones that are on lakefront lots with some nice upgrades like this model has are typically selling in the low to mid 400s. So in addition to that 6.5% mortgage rate and the $13,000 closing cost credit I mentioned, the builder is running some really attractive discount specials on some of these homes that are going to be move-in ready in December and January of this year. So again, reach out to me and I'll let you know the details and the rebate prices on those specific homes. So you can see that this is a split bedroom floor plan. The guest rooms are all up toward the front of the house, and the main bedroom and bathroom is at the rear of the home. It's also a very modern open floor plan with the living room, dining room, and kitchen all blended into a great room concept. So you get a ton of that natural Florida sunshine light spilling through the big back windows and sliders. And it also gives you those great expansive lake views from places like the kitchen, living room, and the main bedroom. So there are many other floor plans being offered in here. They've got an 1,800 square foot home that starts at $345,000, and they've got some bigger ones as well, including a big 2,800 square foot 4-bedroom home that starts at $425,000, which is perfect if you're like me with 3 little kids running around. Stonewater is a gated community, and it's on the smaller side compared to similar communities in Cape Coral. There are only 327 home sites in Stonewater, and about half of the community is already sold out, with plenty of folks already living here. The community has some really great amenities like this big resort-style pool, tennis and pickleball courts, a big indoor exercise facility, and a nice shaded and fenced-in playground for the kids. It's also a no maintenance community, so the HOA fees cover your lawn care and land maintenance, as well as all the gates, amenities, and common areas, and those HOA fees are very low. They're only about $200 a month.
So what do you think? If this looks like a community that would be right for you, get a hold of me as soon as possible. I've got a great relationship with the builder and the sales staff over here. Worked with them for many, many years. But this is really just the hottest community in Southwest Florida right now. I think they're selling 9 or 10 of these every single month. That's like 2 to 3 a week. It's absolutely on fire, especially for this time of year. It's usually a little bit slower in the 3rd and 4th quarter here, but not this place. This place is absolutely on fire. They've been selling like hotcakes out here. So I've got the inventory list right now. Reach out to me if you'd like to see that. And if you're interested, we can come by, take a look at the amenities, walk through a couple of models, and show you the inventory. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the next video real soon.